Hello guys, we are discussing chapter 1 motion and I am Vaishali Kikan. So the first problem states a cyclist traveling initially at 14 meter per second. So initial velocity is 14 meter per second in south, brakes smoothly and stops. So when he stops, its final velocity will be 0 meter per second south in 4 seconds. So time is also given 4 seconds. What is the cyclist average acceleration? We know the formula of average acceleration, which is V final minus V initial upon delta t. So now what is V final? V final is 0 meter per second in south direction. What is V initial? It is 14 meter per second again in south direction. Now what is delta t? It is 4 second, right? So now here I will be having minus 14 meter per second in south divided by 4 seconds. So now when you do the computation, it will be coming out to be equal to minus 3.5 meter per second square in south. So minus represents the north direction. So here minus of south represents north. So it will be 3.5 meter per second in north direction, right? So it's just a convention, right? So now for the motion shown in the figure, find the average acceleration in the segment A, B and C. Now this is the figure, and here in the segment A, if I see the initial velocity, so y-axis represents the velocity, x-axis represents the time. So if I see the initial velocity, it is 10 meter per second, right? So at the initial velocity, I will be putting 10 meter per second and direction is south, right? So now what is the final velocity? It is 30 meter per second in south, right? So now upon what is the total time taken? Time taken is in x direction in seconds, so it is 5 seconds, right? So the average acceleration will be equal to 30 minus 10 upon 5, which will be equal to 20 meter per second in south divided by 5, which is equal to 4 meter per second square. Meter per second square is the unit of acceleration in the south direction. Right, so this is how we can find out the acceleration in segment B. Now again following the same procedure in the segment B, now we know V final. V final is 30 meter per second in south. What is the V initial? It is also 30 meter per second in the south. What is the time? Time is 10 seconds for this segment. So it will come out to be 0 meter per second square in the south direction. So 30 minus 30 is 0 and 0 upon something would be 0. Right. So now coming to the segment C. In the segment C, you can see what is the V final. V final is 0. What is the V initial? V initial is 30. So 0 minus 30 meter per second in south divided by time. What is the time? Time is 5. So when we have minus 30 divided by 5 meter per second square in south, it will be equal to minus 6 meter per second square in the south. So now minus of south, again it will represent the north. So I can represent 6 meter per second square in north direction. So this is how we can solve the two questions. Now coming to the next question. Starting from rest at time t is equal to 0 second, a car accelerates uniformly at 4.1 meter per second square. What is the car's displacement from its initial point at 5 seconds? So now we know the equation which relates initial velocity and the displacement and the acceleration. So this is the equation. The displacement delta d is equal to initial velocity into the time plus half of average acceleration into the time square. So this is the equation. We know the initial velocity is 0 meter per second because it's starting from rest. Right, at rest the initial velocity is 0. A average is given, so average acceleration is 4.1 meter per second square and time is given 5 seconds. So we need to put all of these things in this equation. Delta d will be equal to 0 into what is the time? 5 plus half. What is average acceleration? It is 4.1 into 5 square. So we will be having half into 4.1 into 25, which will be equal to 51 meter in south direction, right? So in the displacement, which is a vector quantity, we have to represent the direction as well. Now coming to the next question, an Olympic driver falls from rest from the high platform. Assume that the fall is the same as official height of the platform above water. So the height is given 10 meter. At what velocity does the driver strikes the water, right? So we need to find out the final velocity. Now initial velocity, because he was starting from rest, initial velocity is 0 meter per second. The height is given, which is 10 meter. Now what is the average acceleration? Average acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity in this case, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So we are taking positive direction in the south direction, right? So let's put all of the values. We know the relationship between V final and V initial. So V final square is equal to V initial square plus 2 acceleration into the displacement. So now what is V final? V final we have to find out. So we can put it as it is. V final square is equal to V initial square will be 0 square plus 2 into 9.8 into 10, right? So now when you do this calculation, it will be coming out to be 196 meter per second, right? It's meter square per second square. Now this is V final square. Now when you have to find out V final, you have to take the under root. So 196 meter square per second square under root. So it will be coming out to be equal to plus minus 14 meter per second. So now the direction is in downward direction. So we know, so we can represent it as 14 meter per second in downward direction. There is no role of negative direction. So now here V final is 14 meter per second in downside. So I hope you understood all of them. Thank you so much.